My name is Asad Yaqub and we are going to start with IELTS speaking part 1. Are you ready?
Yes,
Alright, let's take a start. How often do you go to the parks or gardens?
I often to go a park because a good looking garden and there, so that's why I like to go a park for walking.
Okay. Why do people go to the parks or gardens in the morning or in the evening?
In the evening, a lot of people go for park for fresh air and for walking, jogging. So that's why they go park in the morning. They prefer.
Right. When do you prefer to go to the park? In the morning or in the evening?
I think in the evening people should go for a park because fresh air is also available and a lot of things is available for doing.
Okay, alright. Let's move on. Do you prefer to go to the park alone or with your friends or family members?
I prefer to go for a park with friends because when when you feel upset, yeah, when you feel upset, then they
Okay, is there any park near your house?
yes, the Fatima Park is near my house, and I went there for jogging.
Okay. Alright, let's move on to speaking part 2. I'm going to give you a topic and here is a pen and paper and you have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. Just a second please. Alright, you now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
So we should respect to everyone of older person, but I will discuss in my lecture is the grandfather. I respect him because everyone respect him, and they like rice. Everyone like rice, so
Come on, just speak. Alright, we move on to speaking part 3. What qualities does a person need to have to take care of old people?
they respect to everyone because if you respect to each other, then this person respect you.